How to restart your Google Pixel 9a device. In this video, I will show you 4 different methods to restart or reboot your Google Pixel 9a or any other older Pixel devices. So first method is the swipe down the notification panel twice from the top. At the bottom right corner, you can see the power button. So tap on it and you can see the power menu on your Pixel 9a. So tap on a restart to restart your Pixel 9a device. Second method, you can use the power button or side key. By default, when you long press the power button, you can see launch the Gemini on your Pixel 9a device. So long press the power button and you can see launch the Gemini on your device. To change it, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down until you can see the system. Tap on a system. Here you can find the option gestures. Tap on it. Now scroll down and you can find press and hold power button option. So tap on it. Now by default set the digital assistant on your device. Now select the power menu. Now go back again and long press the power button on your Pixel 9a and you can see the power menu. Just tap on the restart to restart your Google Pixel 9a device. Third method, you can use both the power button and volume up button. Long press both button at the same time. Long press power button and volume up at the same time. Now you can see the power menu again. Tap on a restart to restart your phone. And the last one method, you can use the Google Assistant or Gemini on your device. Just launch the Gemini on your Pixel 9a and say restart the phone. So we tap the launch the Google Gemini to say restart the phone. Here you can see the method. If because we change the setting for the power button. So first of all, go to settings again on your device. Scroll down until the system. Tap on a gestures. Tap on a press and hold power button and select the digital assistant. Now long press the side key and say restart the phone. Restart the phone.
Opening power options.
Now you can see the power menu. Tap on a restart to restart your Pixel 9a. Now you can see restarting your Google Pixel 9a device and any other older Pixel device. You can apply all these four settings to any Pixel devices, latest Pixel device running the Android 15 or Android 16 beta version on your phone. So wait until restart your Pixel device. So now you can see restart my Pixel device. So this is the all four method. Which one is your favorite method to restart your Pixel device, older Pixel device or latest Pixel 9 device? Please comment on the below box. That's it. If you like it, share it.